We are approaching a crazy period where there is a chance to make some life-changing money. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are coming up, marking one of the busiest times for e-commerce. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 winning products that can not only skyrocket your sales, but could seriously change your life if you market this correctly. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first winning product is this food vacuum sealer. There's going to be a lot of family gatherings in the holidays, especially with Christmas coming up. So this is going to be the perfect product to sell, and it's literally so small and compact, as well as reduces waste of food. An amazing product which is so easy to use, which will appeal to a huge audience. So let's check out the website for this product. Now, this is the website, and to be honest, it's decent. It creates a bit of scarcity with the sale ending section. Now, what I really like about this product is when your customer buys it, they'll need to keep coming back to buy the bags, and it gives you different quantities for the bag to purchase with in the beginning. Now, generally the website is decent, but I guess they should have added some GIFs instead of images on this section. Also, they've only added 3 reviews, which looks a bit disappointing. More reviews would just validate this product even more for the customer, which would result in more sales. Now, if we go onto AliExpress, this same product is going for 99 cents, which is insane. So let me break down the numbers. The product is selling for $79.98. You can then buy it from AliExpress for 99 cents, which is a profit of $78.99. If you were to only sell 10 a day, you'd make well over $23,000 every single month. An amazing winning product to sell this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now, all the products I'm going to go over in this video are winning products, but a winning product will still not get you sales if you don't advertise it correctly. A lot of people order the products and try to make viral videos around it, and what ends up happening is that they end up losing so much money on ads because the video they made were poorly executed. So this is where the sponsor of today's video, Ecom Adz, comes in. Ecom Adz is a company that creates viral videos around your products. This can in turn generate you some crazy sales. I have used them personally for many years, and I've made some crazy sales because of how well the videos were created. So if you want to take dropshipping seriously, then you need to make sure you use Ecom Adz. They are honestly the best in the game. So if we go onto their website, you can see these are some of their packages. They have the Facebook split testing package. They've also got the Facebook video ad package as well. They also have a TikTok ad package. They also have an unlimited ads package too, where you pay $200 a month and you can get them to make as many ads for you. But for this video, let's explore the TikTok ad package. So if we click on the TikTok ad package, you'll get 3 ad variations for the same product, which is ideal for TikTok ads because you can test with multiple videos. Over here, you can choose your quantity, so you can get 1, 3, 5, or 10. You can also choose what text to add in the videos through the submission form, and they guarantee to deliver your videos in 1 to 3 business days. And it's extremely easy to order these. You've just got to place your order, you've then got to fill in a submission form, and you'll then receive the videos. And for whatever reason, if you're not happy with them, they'll revise them for you. And once you get the videos back, you can then start using your videos. Let me show you an example for a few seconds of a video they done for me.
Introducing the Auto Face Tracking Tripod. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding the perfect angle for your video.
You can see how good even the first few seconds were. And trust me, all their videos turn out amazing. And I've used these guys in the past for some of my dropshipping stores that are scaled to over 5 figures. Now, you'll need video ads created if you're going to start dropshipping. Don't test with video ads that are already out there, because what will happen is you'll end up burning through money. So instead of wasting money doing that, make sure you get your video packages from Ecom Adz and use the code that you see on your screen for 15% off. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure you turn bell notifications on so you're notified for any new videos. Now, the second winning product on this list is this hockey sling game. Now, this is an amazing product. The product always does well at the end of each year. The reason being, it's a really fun and interactive game that you can play with your family and friends at all the gatherings. The aim of the game is to get all your pieces to the other side of the board. It's a unique but fun product. So let's have a look at the website around this product. Now, the website is terrible in my opinion, but more on that later. The price is $29.99 for the small variant and $44.99 for the large one. Now, they've added a video here which shows you how to play the game, which is a nice touch. And the images are high resolution. However, when you scroll down, there is only one small image on the side and some information, but that's it. So it could definitely do with improving on the website and including GIFs and bite-sized information. Now, if we go onto AliExpress, the same product that they are selling is going for 99 cents. So if we break down the numbers, they're selling this product at $29.99. AliExpress is selling this product for 99 cents. That's a profit of $29, which again is a huge profit margin. This is definitely one to start selling straight away. Now, the next winning product on this list is this magnetic building blocks. This is honestly amazing amazing product and one that can be gifted to kids. It's educational and engaging and transforms playing time into learning time. It allows you to build cool structures, and where this product will really appeal to kids is through Minecraft, as that is a very popular game. So now let's check out the website for this product. So this is the website. Honestly, it's almost a perfect website. But first, let me talk about pricing. So they're selling this product in 3 variants. 100 pieces for $69.95, 200 pieces for $129.95, and 300 pieces for $186.95. Now the website is honestly amazing. I like how they're including something for free with the order. This is also something I tend to do with a lot of my dropshipping stores. It's always a good idea to include something for free, and that can be anything like a digital product or even something tangible for the customer, as that will seriously increase your conversions. Also, the website design is clean, modern, and on brand. They've also added gifts too, which really complements the website. As we scroll down, they've added high quality images, but not only that, they have reviews with the images and showcasing a lot of reviews of happy customers with their little ones. Fantastically designed website, which I know for a fact is converting. Now let's check out the same product on AliExpress. So the same product on AliExpress is being sold for $18.04. Now let's break down the numbers for this. So they're selling this product at $69.95, and they can then buy it from AliExpress for $18.04. That's a profit of $51.91. Again, there is massive scope with this, and you can make so much money with this product by leveraging it using Minecraft. Now the next winning product on this list is this travel neck pillow. Now this travel neck pillow is different to the ones you usually see. It's compact and lightweight to help you fall asleep while you're traveling. It's created to reduce neck pain and remove stress and tension. You can even tell by the design it's a lot better for your neck compared to the other neck pillows you've seen. So now let's go on to their website. So this is their website, and I think it is a very good website. Also, if you have a look at the top, they're already maximizing their store for Black Friday by having a Black Friday sale. This is why it's the best time to sell this product, just in time for Black Friday. So they're selling this product for $39, which personally I think is very cheap. I know for a fact there are a lot of normal neck pillows which go for the same price. You could probably get away selling this for $50. Now if we scroll down, it shows a gif of someone using the normal neck pillow and them feeling uncomfortable and not being able to sleep. Then they show a gift of their product being used and the customer is enjoying it. Now these little things that they added on their website is huge, because it instinctively makes the customer choose their product over others. Overall, it's a good website. I love how the reviews are put, and also this table showcasing the benefits of this product over the normal neck pillow. So now let's have a look at AliExpress for this product. Now on AliExpress, the same product is being sold for $4.92. So let's break down the numbers. They are selling this product at $39. They are buying this product from AliExpress for $4.92, which is a profit of $34.08. And this is something that you can scale over the holiday period as more and more people travel. A fantastic winning product. Now the final winning product on this list is this cat Peekaboo Cave. I've always said that on all my winning product videos that the best products to sell, especially if you're starting dropshipping, is pet products. Pet products always do well, and this is no exception. Now cats usually end up scratching furniture and other things in the house. However, this aims to solve that problem. Cats can play with it not only from the outside but the inside too. This will keep your cat entertained for hours and directly appeals to the cat lovers out there. So let's check out the website for this product. Now this is the website, and on first impressions it looks good. Now they're selling this product for $99. However, they are doing a buy one get one free offer. If we scroll down, they show a section called We Broke the Internet, which is interesting. They show its features, some reviews, and overall they made it cat themed, which is good. I still believe the website can be improved in a lot of areas. For example, instead of adding a shop now button everywhere which only takes them to the top of the page, they could literally add like a sticky add to cart. But overall it is a decent website. Now let's have a look at how much AliExpress is selling the same product for. So AliExpress is selling this product for $5.74. So let's break down the numbers. They are selling this product for $99. They are then buying this product from AliExpress for $5.74. We'll do a ×2 on this, as they are doing a buy one get one free offer. So they're spending $11.48 in total, which is a profit of $87.52, which is a massive profit margin. And as I mentioned earlier, especially with pet products, if you market this correctly, you can easily convert a ton of customers and make some serious money. Now, if you want to find more winning products just like these, well, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.